Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transform your printables into a digital planner. Here for example I have a 2023-2024 planner. It starts in July 2023. This is a monthly planner on the left and right side, and then the next page would be August, September, and so on, and it ends in June 2024. It has in total. Now to transform it into a digital planner, open up the layout menu up here and then go to digital planner and click on show the digital planner layer. So this button right here, click on it. Okay, and then from here what you can do next is select a planner cover if you want to have one. So let's for example take this blue-gray one. Then next you can also choose a new spine. Maybe let's choose number 9, like this one here. And then you can further customize the margins. So right here under outer padding, click on it to bring in the sides a bit. A size that looks nice would be around 0.79 inches for the outer padding. And then what you can do as well is also adjust the inner padding, so this distance between where the widget starts and the middle. So maybe have it set to around 0.48 or 486. And once you're happy with it, what you will need to do next is go to apply style to pages. And then all you need to select from here are the margins and then these two tabs down here. Well, technically you can only select the planner digital style since we haven't added the tabs yet. Okay, have all pages selected and click to apply style to pages and let it run through each page. Okay, and just to get rid of the error, let's also click on click to fix this sizing. Right now it's on A5. Select digital planner size. This size will appear automatically after you've added a digital planner background like we did before. And let it quickly run through each page again. And there we go. Okay, so let's check all the pages. December, March 2024, May. Okay, all looks fine. Now let's jump over to adding the tabs. So on this page right here, you actually can open up any page you want, doesn't matter much where you add the tabs. Then to add the tabs, make sure layout and digital planner tabs are selected up here, the menu. And then here you can click to add tabs, for example, to the left side or to the right side. You can add side, top or bottom tabs. For this video, I'm going to add maybe 6 tabs on the left side and then 6 tabs on the right side like this. And then I'm going to make the tabs bigger. So right here is an option called divider width for the side tabs. Then increase the size. Maybe 0.2 would be nice, or you can even make it bigger. Okay, and then also set the radius of the tabs. Maybe have it to 0.3 on both sides, like this. Okay, and then let's go here to tab number 1. Let's see, this planner starts in July 2023. So let's call this one July 23, August 23, November, and September, June and July. Okay, July 2024 is the last month in this planner. Then next, let's move on to linking the tabs. Go to the left page and let's start here with the first month. We want July 2023 tab to be linked to the page which is July 2023. Next is August. Link September to the September page. October to October, November, November, December, December, and the right side is the same, continue January 24, February, March, April, June, and oh, we don't have a July page. Okay. Okay, that one's my fault. I thought we had July here, but the planner is ending in June. Okay, so let's just remove this tab for now because we don't have a July page. All right, then we will have 6 tabs on the left side and 5 tabs on the right side. Okay, that's fine too. Now both pages have been linked. What we can do as well is also change the font on the tabs. So up here you can go to fonts and then maybe choose a new one you like. I'll have this one here selected, or maybe this one here. Okay, by the way, if you want to color your tabs, you can do that as well by clicking here on the color dot, and then you can choose a new color for the tab. But I'll leave it at white for now. Okay, once every tab has been linked, you can go to apply style to pages, and then here you want to select these two. You can also only select apply planner, apply digital planner tabs, but let's just select both the styling and the tabs and the margins so nothing moves around. Have these 3 selected and click on apply style to pages and let it quickly run through the planner. Okay, all pages have linked tabs now. We can check March 2024 and see here the tabs here are all linked. The links are all here. Also, if we open up October 2023, the tabs here all have the links attached to it. So the digital planner now would be ready. You can export it as is, and then to export it, just go to Save Export, Digital Planner, double page, and then click on Batch Generate PDF, and let it quickly export you the PDF file. Okay, it has finished generating the PDF file. Let's check it out. Here it is. This is the front page. Then if we click on July 23, it will go to the July page. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, and June. Okay, so this was how you can easily transform your printables into a digital planner version. If you have any questions, feel free to always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!